Okay, what I have here is a really nice Apple II Europlus. It's from about 1982, 1984, something like that. It's got its 5 1/4 floppy drive there, original. All very nice. I'll just take the cover off so you can see the actual computer itself inside. Got the floppy controller installed as well. I'll just boot it up and execute a little program for it. See if I can balance that. On there so you can see the screen. Yeah, just about. Boot it up. I'm going to have to type a bit slower here because getting a bit of bounce on the keyboard, and sometimes when you press the buttons too fast you have a problem. So we just run that program, you see it adding up. Stop that now. Okay. See if I can position the camera a little bit better. Okay. Now I'm going to boot off floppy for you. There we go.